funny how geopolitical considerations have shifted. And I don't just mean in the last month, but in the last 5 years, Yeah. And projects in or adjacent to the United States are looked at very differently from at least my audience. And I understand why. So question for you then, we're seeing the sentiment in our market shifts, Luke. Like the mining sector for the last 15, 20 years has arguably been one of the most hated industries in the world, right? Yeah. Politicians, if you wanted to get elected, you had to have a strategy to decouple from the extraction industries. Yeah. Media, the same. Anything that conflicted with the mainstream climate narrative was vilified, and that meant extraction industries were. As a result, the Western world's woken up and realized they don't own anything, and that's a problem. And that's created this massive sentiment shift favoring our sector, complete with not just investor interest in retail and institution, but also governments looking at how they can help our industry move forward faster. That must bring more capital groups to the table. And so when you're out there telling this story, either getting institutions in, showing them the disparity between the company value and the current market cap, are you seeing a lot of new faces on the other end of that table? And people that may want to finance, debt finance, whatever, look at what you're doing. It's a very simple story to understand, right? Because there's very low variability at this point. Yeah. That de-risking process is complete.
Yeah, so it's not so much new faces, it's faces that can finally start to look at a serious possibility or probability that they can participate in investing in the sector.